Majestic plumage. Peacocks are renowned for their stunning and iridescent plumage, especially the male, known as the peacock. Their vibrant feathers display a striking mix of blues, greens, and iridescent hues. Courtship display. Male peacocks use their extravagant tail feathers to perform elaborate courtship displays, fanning them out and vibrating them to attract potential mates. Symbolism and cultural significance. Peacocks have been revered in various cultures throughout history. In Hinduism, they are associated with the deity Lord Krishna, while in Greek mythology, they were linked to the goddess Hera. Habitat. Peacocks are native to the Indian subcontinent and are found in a range of habitats including forests, grasslands, and cultivated areas. Diet. Peacocks are omnivores, feeding on a variety of foods including insects, small mammals, reptiles, and plant matter. Sounds. While peacocks are known for their visual displays, they also produce loud and distinctive calls, especially during their courtship rituals. Feathers as defense. The large and conspicuous feathers of a peacock's tail can serve as a deterrent to predators, as they create the illusion of a much larger and intimidating bird. Gender differences. The male peacock with its extravagant plumage is often referred to as a peacock. The female with more subdued and practical feathers is known as a peahen. Nesting and reproduction. Peafowl typically build their nests on the ground, hidden in tall grasses or vegetation. Peahens lay eggs and both parents play a role in incubating and caring for the chicks. Longevity. In the wild, peafowl have an average lifespan of around 15 years. However, they can live longer in captivity, with some reaching up to 25 years. Domestication. Peafowl have been domesticated and are sometimes kept in parks, zoos, and private estates for their ornamental beauty. Conservation. While peafowl are not considered endangered, their habitats are threatened by deforestation and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are important to ensure their survival in the wild. Cultural references. Peacocks continue to be admired and featured in art, literature, and fashion due to their stunning appearance. Molting. Peafowl undergo an annual molt where they shed and regrow their feathers. During this time, the male's elaborate plumage may temporarily lose its vibrancy. Keystone species. In the natural habitats, peafowl play a role in controlling insect populations, making them ecologically significant. Peacocks are iconic birds known for their beauty and captivating displays. They have captured human imagination for centuries and continue to be a symbol of grace and elegance in both nature and culture. Vibrant plumage. The scarlet macaw is renowned for its brilliant and eye-catching plumage. Its feathers display vibrant shades of red, blue, yellow, and green, making it one of the most colorful parrot species. Largest macaw species, the scarlet macaw is one of the largest macaw species with a length of about 32 to 36 inches, 82 to 92 centimeters, from beak to tail. Range and habitat. These macaws are native to the rainforests of Central and South America, including countries like Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, Costa Rica, and Brazil. Social creatures, scarlet macaws are highly social birds that often gather in flocks. They communicate using loud calls and vocalizations. Longevity. In the wild, scarlet macaws can live up to 40 to 50 years, while those in captivity can even surpass this lifespan with proper care. Diet. These macaws are omnivorous, feeding on a diverse diet that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, flowers, and even insects. Mating pairs. Scarlet macaws form strong monogamous pairs and often mate for life. They engage in mutual grooming and share parenting responsibilities. Nesting habits. These macaws nest in tree cavities, often high in the canopy to avoid predators. They lay eggs and raise their chicks in these protected nesting sites. Threats and conservation. Scarlet macaws face threats from habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and hunting. Conservation efforts aim to protect their natural habitats and curb illegal trade. Cultural significance. In various indigenous cultures, scarlet macaws hold cultural and spiritual significance. Their feathers have been used in traditional ceremonies and artwork. Intelligent birds, scarlet macaws are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. Flight skills. These macaws are skilled flyers and are often seen soaring through the skies with their long, distinctive tails trailing behind them. Avian seed dispersers. Scarlet macaws play an important ecological role as seed dispersers. They consume fruits and later excrete seeds, contributing to forest regeneration. Endangered status. While their population is considered stable, some local populations of scarlet macaws are classified as endangered or vulnerable due to habitat destruction. Conservation efforts. Conservation organizations and wildlife authorities work to protect scarlet macaws by enforcing anti-poaching laws, establishing protected areas, and educating the public. Scarlet macaws are not only strikingly beautiful, but also ecologically significant. Their presence in the rainforest helps maintain the balance of ecosystems, making them an essential component of their native habitats. Symbol of freedom. The resplendent quetzal is considered the national bird of Guatemala and holds cultural and symbolic significance in Mayan and Aztec mythology. Stunning plumage. Known for its vibrant and iridescent green and blue feathers, the resplendent quetzal is often regarded as one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Long tail feathers. Male quetzals have long iridescent tail feathers that can extend up to 3 times the length of their bodies. These tail feathers are highly prized and were historically used in the headdresses of Mayan rulers. Habitat. Resplendent quetzals inhabit cloud forests and montane forests in Central America, particularly in countries like Costa Rica, Panama, and Honduras. Altitudinal migrants. Quetzals are altitudinal migrants, moving between different elevations in response to changes in climate and food availability. Diet. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. They play an important role in dispersing seeds throughout their forest habitats. Breeding season. Breeding pairs of quetzals select tree cavities or abandoned woodpecker nests for nesting. The female lays eggs, and both parents take turns incubating and caring for the chicks. Elusive behavior. Despite their stunning appearance, resplendent quetzals are often difficult to spot due to their shy and reclusive behavior, as well as their preference for dense forests. Cultural significance. In ancient Mayan and Aztec civilizations, the quetzal was associated with the gods and considered a symbol of freedom, wealth, and nobility. Conservation concerns. Habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change poses a threat to the resplendent quetzal's survival. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their forest habitats and raising awareness. Elevation adaptations. Quetzals have evolved to thrive in high-altitude environments, with adaptations such as efficient oxygen utilization and specialized beaks for feeding on fruits. Feather regeneration. Unlike many birds, quetzals do not molt their feathers annually. Instead, they undergo a slow, continuous replacement of feathers over several years. Tourist attraction. Due to their striking appearance and cultural significance, quetzals are often sought after by birdwatchers and tourists visiting Central American cloud forests. Avian flagship species. Quetzals serve as flagship species for the conservation of their cloud forest habitats, helping to protect a range of other species that share the same environment. Protected status. Some areas in Central America have established protected reserves and national parks to safeguard the resplendent quetzal and its habitat. The resplendent quetzal's beauty and cultural significance have made it a symbol of conservation and a focal point for efforts to protect its cloud forest home. Vibrant plumage. The male golden pheasant is known for its stunning and vibrant plumage. Its feathers display a striking mix of golden yellow, fiery orange, deep red, and bright green. Distinctive appearance. The golden pheasant has a long sweeping tail and a striking crest of feathers on its head, making it a visually captivating bird. Native range: the golden pheasant is native to the forests and mountains of western China, particularly in the provinces of Shanxi, Gansu, and Sichuan. Habitat: these pheasants inhabit dense woodlands, forests, and shrublands with ample cover and suitable feeding areas. Diet: their diet consists of a variety of foods, including seeds, insects, fruits, and small vertebrates. Male display: during the breeding season, male golden pheasants engage in elaborate courtship displays, including raising their striking plumage, fanning their tail, and making vocalizations to attract females. Female camouflage: unlike the flashy appearance of the males, female golden pheasants have more subdued and cryptic plumage to help them blend into their surroundings for protection. Nesting: females build their nests on the ground, often hidden in tall grass or shrubbery. They lay a clutch of eggs and incubate them until they hatch. Conservation status: while the golden pheasant is not considered endangered, habitat loss and deforestation pose threats to their populations in the wild. Introduction to other regions: the golden pheasant has been introduced to various parts of the world for ornamental and hunting purposes. In some areas, feral populations have established themselves. Cultural significance: the golden pheasant has cultural importance in China and is sometimes associated with luck and prosperity in Chinese traditions. Avian beauty: due to their captivating appearance, golden pheasants are often featured in aviculture and kept in aviaries and private collections. Hybrids: in captivity, golden pheasants have been known to hybridize with other pheasant species, leading to unique and visually striking hybrid birds. Vocalizations: while they are not as vocal as some other bird species, golden pheasants do produce a variety of calls and sounds for communication. Ecosystem role: golden pheasants play a role in seed dispersal and insect control, contributing to the health of their forest ecosystems. The golden pheasant's stunning appearance and behaviors make it a popular and admired bird both in its native habitat and in various parts of the world where it has been introduced. Majestic appearance: the Victoria crowned pigeon is known for its majestic and regal appearance, with striking blue and white plumage, a distinctive crown of feathers on its head, and deep maroon eyes. Largest crowned pigeon: it is the largest of all crowned pigeon species and is native to the lowland forests of Papua New Guinea. Habitat: Victoria. Crowned pigeons inhabit dense tropical forests where they can find ample cover and access to a variety of fruits, seeds, and insects. Diet: their diet consists of fruits, berries, seeds, and small invertebrates found on the forest floor. Conservation status: while they are not currently classified as endangered, habitat loss and hunting pose potential threats to their populations. Breeding: Victoria crowned pigeons are known for their elaborate courtship displays, which involve puffing up their plumage, cooing, and spreading their wings to attract mates. Nesting habits: females lay 1 or 2 eggs in a shallow nest on the forest floor. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Flight and behavior: while they spend much of their time on the ground, Victoria crowned pigeons are also capable of flying short distances and may take to the trees to roost. Cultural significance: these pigeons are sometimes associated with local folklore and cultural practices in Papua New Guinea. Aviculture: due to their striking appearance, Victoria crowned pigeons are kept in zoos and aviaries around the world for educational and conservation purposes. Threats: habitat destruction, deforestation, and potential capture for the pet trade are ongoing concerns for the conservation of this species. Unique vocalizations: Victoria crowned pigeons produce a series of distinctive and deep cooing sounds, especially during the breeding season. Ecosystem role: as frugivores, Victoria crowned pigeons play a role in seed dispersal, helping to regenerate the forest they inhabit. Distinctive plumage: the blue and white plumage, combined with the crown of feathers on their head, makes Victoria crowned pigeons stand out in their forest habitat. Research and conservation: efforts are being made to study and protect the Victoria crowned pigeon, as its preservation is important for maintaining biodiversity in Papua New Guinea's forests. The Victoria crowned pigeon's unique appearance and behaviors contribute to its significance in the natural world and its cultural importance in the regions where it is found. Colorful beak. Atlantic puffins are known for their distinctive and colorful beaks, which feature bright orange, blue, and yellow markings. These vibrant beaks become even more vivid during the breeding season. Seabirds. Atlantic puffins are seabirds that spend the majority of their lives at sea, only coming to land to breed and raise their young. Breeding colonies. Puffins are colonial nesters, often nesting in large colonies on coastal cliffs and islands in the North Atlantic, particularly in places like Iceland, Norway, the Faroe Islands, and the eastern coast of North America. Excellent swimmers. Puffins are agile and skilled swimmers, using their wings to fly underwater in pursuit of their primary prey, small fish like sand eels. Puffin parades. During the breeding season, puffins engage in adorable puffin parades where they walk in line together, showing off their colorful beaks and displaying their distinctive behavior. Nesting habits. Puffins nest in burrows that they excavate in the soil or use natural crevices and rocky outcrops. They also use their bills to dig burrows and create nesting spaces. Monogamous bonds. Puffins typically form monogamous pairs that often return to the same nesting site year after year. Unique nesting material. Puffins use a combination of grass, feathers, and other materials to line their burrows and create cozy nesting chambers for their eggs and chicks. Long lifespan. Atlantic puffins can live for several decades, with some individuals reaching up to 20-25 years of age. Endearing appearance. With their small stature, upright posture, and charming expressions, Atlantic puffins have captured the hearts of many bird enthusiasts. Conservation concerns. While not currently listed as endangered, some puffin populations have faced challenges due to overfishing, climate change, and habitat degradation. Migration. Outside of the breeding season, Atlantic puffins migrate out to sea, spending months on the open ocean before returning to their breeding colonies. Distinctive flight. Puffins have a unique and distinctive flight pattern, using rapid wing beats to navigate through the air. Cultural significance. Puffins are often considered a symbol of coastal regions in the North Atlantic and are popular subjects in art and tourism. Ecological role. As seabirds, puffins contribute to the marine ecosystem by controlling prey populations and transporting nutrients between ocean and land. The Atlantic puffin's charming appearance, behaviors, and role in coastal ecosystems make it a beloved and captivating bird species in the North Atlantic region. Vibrant plumage. The hyacinth. Macaw is renowned for its striking and vibrant cobalt blue plumage, making it one of the most visually stunning parrot species. Largest macaw species. It is the largest of all parrot species, with a length of about 3.3 feet, 1 meter, from beak to tail. Native range hyacinth macaws are native to the open woodlands and grasslands of Central and Eastern South America, including countries like Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Habitat. They inhabit a variety of habitats including palm swamps, riverbanks, and savannas, often near water sources. Diet. Hyacinth macaws primarily feed on a diet of nuts, fruits, and seeds, with a particular preference for the nuts of the licori palm. Strong beak. Their powerful beaks are adapted for cracking open hard nuts and seeds, making them important seed dispersers in their ecosystems. Social creatures. Hyacinth. Macaws are highly social birds that often gather in small flocks. They communicate using loud calls and vocalizations. Breeding pairs. These macaws form strong monogamous pairs and often mate for life. They engage in mutual preening and other bonding behaviors. Nesting habits. Hyacinth macaws nest in tree cavities, often high up in large trees. They lay eggs and raise their chicks in these protected nesting sites. Conservation status. The hyacinth macaw is classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and capture for the pet industry. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitats and combat poaching. Distinctive flight. Hyacinth macaws are agile and powerful flyers, often soaring gracefully through the sky with their long tails trailing behind them. Intelligent birds. They are known for their intelligence and ability to learn tricks and mimic human speech. Cultural significance. In some indigenous cultures, hyacinth macaws hold cultural and spiritual significance. Long lifespan. In the wild, hyacinth macaws can live up to 40, 50 years, while those in captivity can potentially live even longer. Conservation efforts. Numerous organizations and governments are working to protect the hyacinth macaw and its habitat through initiatives such as protected areas, anti-poaching measures, and education. The hyacinth macaw's beauty, intelligence, and ecological role make it a cherished species that conservationists are striving to protect for future generations. Colorful plumage. Rainbow lorikeets are known for their vibrant and colorful plumage, featuring a mix of bright green, blue, orange, yellow, and red feathers. Native range. They are native to eastern Australia, including regions like Queensland, New South Wales, and Victoria, as well as some parts of Indonesia. Habitat. Rainbow lorikeets inhabit various habitats, including rainforests, woodlands, coastal areas, and urban environments. Diet. They have a specialized brush-like tongue adapted for feeding on nectar, pollen, and soft fruits. These lorikeets are also known to visit flowering trees and plants to extract nectar. Social birds. Rainbow lorikeets are highly social and often seen in flocks, especially when feeding on flowering trees or congregating around water sources. Playful behavior. They are known for their playful and active behavior, engaging in acrobatics and interacting with each other in midair. Distinctive call. Rainbow lorikeets have a loud and chattering call, which becomes even more pronounced when they are in flight or gathered in groups. Breeding. They nest in tree hollows, often located in eucalyptus trees. Mating pairs work together to excavate and prepare the nest for their eggs. Eggs and chicks. Female rainbow lorikeets typically lay 2 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Conservation status. Rainbow lorikeets are considered a species of least concern. However, in some urban areas, they can become pests due to their feeding habits. Feeding adaptations. Their specialized tongue and brush-like papillae allow them to extract nectar from flowers efficiently. Human interaction. Rainbow lorikeets are known to visit gardens and backyards, especially if bird feeders with nectar or fruit are available. Nesting challenges. Competition for tree hollows with other bird species and habitat loss can pose challenges for nesting rainbow lorikeets. Ecological role. As pollinators, rainbow lorikeets play a vital role in helping to pollinate flowering plants and trees, contributing to ecosystem health. Urban adaptation. These lorikeets have adapted well to urban environments and are often seen in city parks and gardens, bringing color and liveliness to urban areas. The rainbow lorikeet's stunning appearance, engaging behavior, and ecological importance make it a cherished and iconic bird species in its native Australia. Colorful beak. The keel-billed toucan is known for its distinctive and colorful beak, which is bright green and orange with splashes of red, blue, and yellow. The beak is long and lightweight, making up about 1/3 of the bird's total length. Large size. Keel-billed toucans are among the larger species of toucans, with an average length of about 17 to 22 inches, 43 to 55 centimeters, and a wingspan of around 7 to 8 inches, 18 to 20 centimeters. Habitat. They inhabit tropical rainforests and lowland forests in Central and South America, including regions from southern Mexico to northern Colombia and Venezuela. Diet. Keel-billed toucans primarily feed on a diet of fruits, especially those with high water content such as figs. They also eat insects, small reptiles, and eggs. Toucanet behavior. Keel-billed toucans are social birds and are often seen in small groups or pairs. They communicate with a series of croaking and clucking sounds, mating and nesting. These toucans nest in tree cavities and hollows, often using old woodpecker nests. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Distinctive flight. Despite their relatively large size, keel-billed toucans are agile and skilled flyers, able to navigate through the forest canopy with ease. Ecological role. Toucans play a crucial role in seed dispersal as they consume fruits and then disperse the seeds throughout the forest when they excrete them. Conservation status. Keel-billed toucans are not currently listed as threatened or endangered. However, habitat loss and illegal pet trade can still pose challenges to their populations. Cultural significance. Keel-billed toucans are often associated with tropical rainforests and are featured in local folklore and artwork. Bill function. The toucan's large and colorful bill is not only eye-catching but also serves practical purposes, such as reaching fruit on branches and self-defense. Feeding habits. Keel-billed toucans use their bills to pluck and manipulate fruits, and they can even toss food into the air to catch it in their beaks. Vocalizations. Toucans use a variety of vocalizations for communication, including croaking, squawking, and bill clacking. Zoological popularity. Their unique appearance and behaviors make keel-billed toucans popular attractions in zoos and aviaries around the world. Photogenic birds. The striking appearance of keel-billed toucans with their vivid colors and distinctive beaks makes them a favorite subject for wildlife photographers and nature enthusiasts. The keel-billed toucan's vibrant colors, fascinating behaviors, and ecological significance make it a captivating and iconic bird species of the tropical rainforests it calls home. Vivid blue and white plumage. Blue jays are known for their striking blue and white feathers, with a crest on their head that can be raised or lowered depending on their mood or alertness. Range and habitat. They are native to North America and can be found throughout eastern and central parts of the continent, including forests, parks, and suburban areas. Lively and vocal. Blue jays are known for their loud and diverse vocalizations, including mimicry of other bird calls and human-made sounds. Omnivorous diet. Blue jays have a varied diet that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, small vertebrates, and even bird eggs. Caching behavior. Blue jays are known to cache food by hiding it in various locations, helping them to find sustenance during leaner times. Migratory behavior. While some blue jays are permanent residents, others migrate south during the winter months in search of food. Monogamous pairs. Blue jays typically mate for life and work together to build nests, incubate eggs, and care for their young. Nesting and eggs. Nests are often constructed in the crotch of a tree branch, and the female blue jay lays a clutch of eggs that she incubates for about 17-18 days. Predator alert system. Blue jays are known to sound the alarm and raise an alert when predators are near, often causing other birds and animals to take cover. Habitat creation. Blue jays play a role in seed dispersal, helping to regenerate forests by carrying and dropping nuts and seeds. Conservation status. Blue jays are common and not currently considered threatened, but habitat loss and fragmentation can impact their populations. Intelligence. Blue jays are considered highly intelligent and have been known to solve puzzles, remember locations of caches, and engage in problem solving. Interaction with humans. They are often seen around bird feeders in suburban areas and can become accustomed to human presence. Physical characteristics. Blue jays have a robust build with a wingspan of about 13-17 inches, 33 to 43 centimeters, and a length of 9-12 inches, 23 to 30 centimeters. Symbolism and folklore. Blue jays are featured in Native American folklore and hold cultural significance in various tribes. The blue jay's vibrant appearance, vocal talents, and interactions with its environment and other species make it a fascinating and well-known bird of North America's woodlands and urban landscapes.